Good morning, dear student.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome my today online class. And today we will continue study about chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of
Life.
Okay, chapter name is the fundamental unit of
Life.
Okay, so today topic is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Okay, today we will study about prokaryotic cells and
Eukaryotic cells.
Okay, so I will firstly explain about prokaryotic cells. Okay, in before I will explain prokaryotic cells or eukaryotic cells. Okay, I define about living organism. Okay, so all living organisms are made up of one or more cells. Okay, with only exception of viruses, they lack cells in their body. Okay, and therefore they are not capable for showing any life processes. Okay, they are because their genetic material is either DNA or RNA. Okay, so they enter a living body. Okay, to use its cellular organization in their order to multiply. Okay, so on the basis of completely or cellular organization and living organism can be categorized as follows: two categories. Okay, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Okay, so I have firstly explain about prokaryotic cells. Okay, so prokaryotic cells. These cells represent most primitive cells. Okay, and the organism processing these cells are called prokaryotes. Okay, these cells represent most primitive cells, and the organism processing these cells are called prokaryotes. Okay, so prokaryotic cells, they are an example of bacteria, blue green algae, cyanobacteria. Okay, and students, this organism lack nuclear membrane. Okay, and around the genetic material, for example DNA. Therefore, the genetic material lies directly in contact with the cytoplasm. Okay, and this undefined nuclear region is called nucleoid. Okay, another feature of the prokaryotic cells is that they do not contain any membrane bound organelles in the cytoplasm except ribosome. Okay, except ribosome. And second cells are eukaryotic cells. So next cell have a eukaryotic cell. These cells are well developed and represent advanced cells. The organism possessing these cells are called eukaryotes. Okay, that's clear. Eukaryotes. So the eukaryotes include some unicellular and all multicellular organisms. The unicellular or eukaryotes belong to kingdom Protista. For example, Protista. For example, protozoans such as amoeba and paramecium. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and slime molds and some forms. Okay, slime molds and some forms of algae. The multicellular organisms include fungi, plant and animal. Fungi, plant and animals. Multicellular organisms include in eukaryotic cells. Okay, so a eukaryotic cells contains a well-developed cell membrane, nuclear membrane, and other cell organelles that float in the cytoplasm. Okay, so I hope all of you understood about prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Okay. So So student, there next topic is in this chapter protoplasm. Okay, so the protoplasm is the living substance of a cell. Okay, living substance of a cell. It is a colorless, translucent fluid. Okay, protoplasm is the living substance of a cell. It is a colorless, translucent fluid. Okay, and protoplasm consists of cytoplasm, nucleus, and other cell organelles. Okay, so all living cells contains protoplasm. Okay, all living cells contains protoplasm. That's clear.
Cytoplasm.
And next topic is in this chapter parts of a cell. Okay, so there are two parts of the cell, living parts of a cell. Okay, and second is the non-living parts of cells. Okay, so in the living parts of cell, there are 9 parts. Okay, and non-living parts of the cell, there are 4 parts. So under the living parts of cell, first is a cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, and the second parts of living parts of the cell, mitochondria. Okay, and third is a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then students, endoplasmic reticulum have 2 types. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum, and second is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So reticulum is endoplasmic reticulum is a 2 types. Okay, rough endoplasmic reticulum, okay, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, that's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and fourth is a Golgi apparatus. Okay, and fifth is a ribosomes, and sixth is a plastids. Plastids have only plant cells. Okay, and 7 is a lysosome, and 8 living parts of cell is the centrosome. Centrosome found in only animal cells. Okay, and 9 living parts of cell is the nucleus. That's clear. Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
And non-living parts of the cell is the first cell wall in plant cell, second vacuoles, third granules, and fourth is a fat droplets. Okay, so I hope today class all topics all of you understood all of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt regarding this topic, you can feel free to ask me. Okay, have a nice day. Good.